In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a CSV file with product information using eBay's template. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your eBay process, understanding how to efficiently upload multiple listings at once can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to obtain eBay's CSV template. This template is essential because it lays the groundwork for all the necessary product information that eBay requires. The template ensures that your data is in the correct format and minimizes potential errors during the uploading process. You can typically find this template on eBay's website under their Seller Hub resources. Before you start entering data, ensure that you have all your product details readily available, such as titles, descriptions, prices, quantities, and any specific attributes related to your items. Having this information at your fingertips makes your task smoother and quicker. Once you've filled out the CSV template with your product details, it's time to log into your eBay account. Head to the Seller Hub, which is the centralized platform eBay provides for managing all your seller activities. It's your one-stop shop for all things related to selling. After logging in, navigate to the Listings section, then click on Upload Listings. This is where you'll upload the CSV file that you've carefully prepared. Double check that your CSV file is saved correctly on your device and is in the right format to avoid any hiccups during the upload process. Now, with your CSV file ready to go, click on the upload section. Here you'll select your file from your device, so make sure you know its location, typically your desktop or a designated folder for ease of access. Once you locate and select your file, it's time to upload it to eBay. Patience is key here, as the upload process might take a few moments depending on the file size and the number of entries you're submitting. After the upload is complete, an important step follows: reviewing your bulk listings. This stage is crucial, as it allows you to catch any potential errors or discrepancies before your listings go live. eBay will usually provide a summary of your upload highlighting any issues that need addressing. Review all the information carefully, looking out for things like pricing errors, incorrect titles, or missing details, which could impact your sales. Once you've meticulously reviewed your listings and are satisfied that everything is accurate, it's time to hit Submit. This final step sends all your carefully curated listings into the eBay marketplace. Congratulations! You've just streamlined your selling process by uploading your products in bulk. Remember, while it might seem a bit daunting at first, this method significantly cuts down on listing time and